Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another vlogmas episode. Yeah, so I've traveled home for the weekend and I'm having this. It's an apple juice with some potato chips. Yeah, so yeah, say my hi. Say my hi. Sorry, me what? Saseni. Good morning guys. So today is Saturday. I want to have my breakfast, so I'm having I'm just from doing a video of the banana pancakes, so if you haven't watched it by now, I will leave the link in the description box so that you can watch it and see how easy it is to prepare such pancakes. Yeah, so let me have my breakfast and I'll see you guys later. Guys, so it's the next day and this is how the sink looks. Vyombo ni mingi sana, so I want to do these dishes, then I'll see you guys when I'm done because I want to shoot a video right after. Then see you guys after. subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm preparing a wet fry liver recipe, so hope you'll enjoy the recipe when the video goes up. So it will definitely go up after this one, so stay tuned for it, and yeah, see you in my next video.